Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. Onions give great flavor to recipes and there are a wide variety of them. We can find a similar but much milder onion taste in shallots or leeks. When it comes to cooking with leeks, the taste is just lovely, but they have to be trimmed, cut, and cleaned. Here's a quick tutorial on how to handle this vegetable. So my friends, let's get cooking.
First, we have to remove the base of the stem and discard it. You might buy leeks that still have the roots attached to it, so we'll simply cut the base. Another part of the leek that needs to be removed is the dark green part. Although the texture is tough, this is great to keep when making stock. It can also be used to make a bouquet garni with other fresh herbs. You'll also have to remove the outside layer of the leek because most likely it will be tough. Now we are left with the good stuff. There are a couple ways to cut leeks. You can either cut them in thin slices or cut them even smaller by cutting the bulb in half lengthwise and then slicing to get half-moon pieces. Then we'll transfer the sliced leeks to a bowl that we'll fill with cool water and swish them around to dislodge any soil or sand which will sink to the bottom of the bowl. To drain, we'll remove the pieces by hand and transfer to a sieve so the soil or sand is left in the bowl. And we'll proceed with our recipe.
As you saw in this video, it is quite easy to prep leeks, as long as they are well washed. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time my friends, bon appétit!